guys, I'm Shalita Kristina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I care for my transitioning hair while it's in a twist protective style, and also how I maintain my twist. So I've had this particular set of twists there for about a little over a month. I'm going to be sharing with you what steps I take to keep them looking fresh and always neat. A week or so after I first get them installed, I like to go ahead and go in and retwist my perimeter twist, which is just the first row of my hair. I co-wash about once a week. Also moisturize every day with a water, conditioner, and extra virgin olive oil concoction that I like to DIY. Maybe about 4 weeks after they've been installed, I like to go through and retwist my entire head just to keep them tight, cut down on frizz, and just to keep them from looking worn. To go ahead and re-dip the ends of my twist in hot water maybe every 2 weeks to keep those looking fresh as well. So I'm going to show you basically how I moisturize. Before I actually had these installed, I went and purchased this African Pride Olive Miracle Braiding Spray. But upon using it for the first time, I noticed that the fragrance was really strong, was really overpowering, and I have asthma, so it affected my breathing. So I basically, everything that was in this bottle down the drain, rinsed out, and I added water, extra virgin olive oil, and a conditioner. My favorite conditioner to use is my Tresemme Moisture Rich Luxurious Moisture Conditioner. So I use this. A little bit of conditioner. And also some extra virgin olive oil. And mind you, there's already some of this in the bottle because I use it every day. I just wanted to show you on camera for like video purposes how I mix it and what I do. I'm going to go ahead and close it up, give it a little shake, and then I'm going to go ahead and spray my entire head, starting with my scalp and working my way down to where my hair actually ends. Not the end of the twist, but where my actual hair ends. So go ahead and spray. Grab a couple in your hand and just spray down. You think your hair stops. Saturate all the braids. I'm going to continue to do this throughout my entire head. Spray your scalp. And I would advise that you get a regular like hairspray bottle, just because this one, it gets clogged up with the conditioner. It gets a little tiresome to spray it, and it's just easier. I have one, but I like to just keep plain water in there just when I spray my hair every day. I just do this usually every other day. So yeah, continue to spray your hair until everything has been thoroughly saturated, and then I like to go in and just basically rub it all in. Make sure everything is just covered. Next, what I like to do is I like to re-dip the ends of my hair every 2 weeks. What I suggest is that you get a coffee cup and pop it into the microwave for about 4.5 minutes, maybe 5, until it seems like it's boiling and getting hot. I have my water here. It's extremely hot, so please be careful with this step. So I have a t-shirt to use to dry the ends. So I'm going to take it and grab some from one side. And so these are how my ends look before. I'm going to go ahead and dip them. Be extremely careful when you do this step because you don't want to burn yourself. So I take my coffee cup, my water, and I take my ends, and I dip my ends. I have an old shirt here. I'm going to grab my hair away from me and pull it down straight in a downward motion. Because whichever way you actually have your hair when it's wet, that's how it's going to dry. I'm going to go ahead and get the other side. And you can do it half your hair, you can do it in 4 sections, however you please. Just please, please be careful. So I'm going to dip all of these. Into the water. going to get my shirt and then grab them and pull them in a downward motion. So these are how my twists look after they've been dipped. See, I like to do that every 2 weeks to keep them looking fresh at the end as well as at the roots of my twist. Another thing, when sleeping, you want to use a bonnet or a scarf. I just take my hair and twist it, braid it like in a halo braid, and then put my bonnet on. That cuts down on like tension and also protects your hair while you're sleeping. So yeah, that's it for how I care for my transitioning hair while it's in a twist protective style. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more of how I care for my transitioning hair and also what protective style I might be wearing at the moment and how I upkeep that, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.